If you drive 5 miles due east, then make a left turn and drive 12 miles due north, how far are you in a straight line from your starting point? All right, so in this case, let's just draw a little diagram, right? So let's say we start out over here and we want to go east, right? So we're going to go east 5 miles, okay, which means this length here is 5, okay? And then we're going to make a left turn and drive 12 miles due north, okay? So we reach this point here, so that's going to be 12 miles. So the question is, how far are you in a straight line from your starting point, right? So this is the starting point. This is where we end up. So actually, we want to find this length here. And you notice that what we've drawn here is we've drawn a right triangle, right? That's good. So we'll call that one A. We'll call this one B. The hypotenuse is usually given by the letter C, right? And the Pythagorean theorem tells us that A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared here. So we can just plug in these values, right? So 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to c squared. 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. So that's going to equal c squared here. Once we add these together, 25 plus 144, that gives us 169, right? Remember, that's equal to c squared. So in order to find c, we have to take the square root of this. So c is the square root of 169. In this case, we actually get a nice number here. We get 13, right? So if you go 5 miles east and 12 miles due north, okay, well, we're actually going to be in a straight line, right? 13 miles from the starting point.